Hi, Ben here with Pierre Driving School. Answering question again. Is there any order is there any order the road test will be? In other words, the student asking, is there any order the DMV examiner have to give you the instruction as you're doing your road test? All right. So student asking that, is it the parallel parking first, the 3.10 later, or do I have to do this? Okay, to answer to this, no, there is no order on how you're doing your road test. There is no order on how they're gonna come out. Is whichever one it's available. What? Let me explain. As you're driving with the examiner, they will determine what's go first. If the 3-point turn is what come into the availability, you will be doing the 3-point turn. If the parallel parking is what coming up first, you will be doing the parallel parking. In terms of maneuvering, there is no order on how you maneuvers of what you do. What do I mean by that? If you're doing the parallel parking, if you want to put your car into park first, then do the steering wheel, the thing is no, it don't matter. What matters is for you to do the right thing that you have to do while you're driving. What do I mean by that? If you know you're doing a 3-point turn and your car have to be in reverse and is in drive and you're looking behind you while it's still in drive, then it's a problem. You see what I'm saying? So as we're teaching here on our end, we've always tell students to do first the thing that can automatically disqualify you from the test instead of doing the other later. You know what I'm saying? But for the DMV road test, they're calling those shots. All right. So the DMV examiner will basically, they're controlling the road test. In other words, yeah, they're controlling what's what, if that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? So it's not like an order after you must do your parallel parking first, then the K-turn later. It's whichever one becomes available. The instructions are randomly given, but the route is pre-selected. Let me say it slow. The instructions are randomly given, but the route are pre-selected. Because what do I mean by that? They've already know which route they're going to be taking, but the instruction is according to the one that becomes available. Sometimes I've been saying to DMV examiner, I'm circling with the student to find a parallel parking. You see what I'm saying? Because the parking not going to be the same out all the time. Those are randomly given as they're going through the route that is already pre-selected. I don't know if I answered the question correctly to your liking. Let me in the comment below if it's different from the state that you're living in, where is certain category. Contrary, now that's a higher up level. Contrary with commercial driver license, it goes in certain order. You know what I'm saying? To begin, they're gonna start with you with a pre-trip inspection. After the pre-trip inspection, then you're gonna walk your way to the back. After to the back, coming inside, you know, and commercial is on a different level. It gets done differently from from license. Although commercial gonna go on a different lineup, this setup. Sometimes the examiner, depending on how they feel, you know what? Let's go start from the inside. You see what I'm saying? Let's go start from the inside. They start with you from the inside, do the paperwork, and go outside there, do the pre-inspection while they start with you from the inside. You see I'm going with this? So there's really nothing. But the route always the same unless there's changes. They cannot just select a route as they go. That's the reason why if they're giving you an instruction, you miss it. Most of the time, you may have to, unfortunately, do the test over again because the examiner most of the time not going to be good enough to take you all the way back from beginning and restart the tech with you all over again. Since you missed it, then you're out of luck. We have to do it next time. Those are most likely the attitude, and not because they want to be mean about it, because they follow a route. All right. So if I answer the question the right way, let me know in the comment below. And if you're new here, I'm Ben with Pierre Driving School, and this channel we are all in about driving. If you're new here, you may consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. And this channel here, we post it 3 times a day, every Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturday, and 7 days a week. We answer the question you guys asking in the comment early morning on the first hour. If there is anything you want us to cover in particular, put it in the comment below. So that's where we're gonna get all the questions coming from. I'd like to thank all of you guys for broadening the library of Pierre Driving School with videos, because we were able to get this much videos pushing out based on the question that you guys asking. You and I cannot change how people driving, but you and I can change the way that we are driving, so we can be an example for other people. With that said, we cannot know what's in your mind, but we can do a video of what's going on in your mind. That is the reason why we're asking all of you guys. That's the reason why we're asking all of you guys to comment on videos, the thing that you want us to do, so we can answer you on a video format. All right. people can learn from things that is confusing for you, so as well as you can learn from the other people, from those other people as well. With that aside, we're gonna continue with our left and right as we do on the regular each time that we drop a video. And this light here, we're making a left turn. This is a two-way street from a two-way street to a three-lane street, because there's a turn signal here. We have to deliver accordingly. When light clear, we're gonna pull to the middle. Make sure the front bumper is aligned with the yellow line, and from there, the cross traffic on our block as the right of way for the purpose of the road test. Remember, it's all about for the purpose of the road test, all right? In real life, we can do whatever you want, but for the road test, there's a guidance they want you and I to follow, then we go through with that. We're gonna pull to the middle, the cross traffic that coming ahead as the right of way. Traffic is clear. Mirror left, shoulder left, and make the turn. Students always keep the right side of the road, but today's Sunday though. We could have been on the right side if we want, because there's one two-lane street here, but one lane is strictly for the buses. We try to stay as much as we can out of the bus lane, but on Sundays, the bus lanes are open to the public, to everyone. So, but still, it says bus lane photo enforced. It's to everyone, but still, we try to do the best that we can to stay off of the bus lane to avoid trouble. But we could have on the Sundays, you see? Okay? As you're driving, always scanning the road, and always be prepared for your next move, all right? Always scanning the road, and always be prepared for your next move. Anything you guys like us to cover, put in the comment below. This question for today, is there a specific order the DMV examiner will go to the road test? You know, is there a specific order? We've answered already, but anything different? Oh my God, see how these guys are driving, cutting everybody off so they can come off here. Let's hit to the left lane. Mirror left, shoulder left, and bring it over. A lot of traffic going on here, but we'll manage accordingly. Always pay attention. Here people can jump on your lane at any minute. Unexpected time they jump in your lane, looking for trouble. Look at them here. Is that crazy, this guy ahead driving with that dollar van? Yep, cutting everybody left and right. At the light coming up, we're making a left turn. Utica Avenue, Brooklyn, New York, one of the worst place to drive in. With this dollar van, mirror left, shoulder left, and traffic is clear ahead. Then we go from here. Put a mirror right here, check the mirrors and shoulders. Gonna roll up a little bit. There you have it, folks. It's a short one today. We're gonna do a parallel parking here if we can. Let's mirror right, shoulder right. Should we? Now we're gonna line up here, wait for this today. Yep. All right, folks. All right, folks, there you have it. It's been here with Pierre Driving School. This one, lesson today was a short one today. All right, folks. Anything you guys want me to cover in particular, please put it in the comment below, as that's where we have most of our video topic coming from. We cannot change the way that people driving around the world. We cannot change the way that people driving in New York City, whatever the county that you're living in. We cannot change the way that they're driving. But one thing we can change the way that we are driving, so we can make a difference for ourselves and people that are around us see how we driving. With with that aside, anybody that can share this video with that can benefit from this video, that's the best thing we can do. Remember, showing a person how to drive in the US is one of the greatest gifts you can give them one way or another, because the license, one way or another, can enhance someone else's life. You may not be able, you may not have to do that for a living, but having a license in the US is one of the greatest things you can have. Until then, keep practicing. This has been with Pierre Driver School. Take care now, folks. Bye-bye.